nail art warriors. I'm Maria from sonelicious.com, where we bring you fabulous nails daily. And today I'd like to talk about something very important: how to stop biting your nails. You see, I was a nail biter myself. My nails used to be very short. I tried so many different methods and techniques, and there was only one that actually worked. The first thing that I tried was a stop nail biting treatments that you pretty much put on your nails, and when you just like try to bite it, it tastes yucky. Oh. So yeah, I tried something similar, not exactly this one. This is Mavala Stop. It didn't help me. The second thing that I tried, well, actually my mom put it on me: chili. That was absolutely ridiculous, because every time I tried to bite my nails, my mouth would start burning, then I would rub my eyes would start burning, so my whole freaking head burning, so I would run around the apartment screaming like crazy, and it still didn't help me. Thanks, Mom, for trying and for torturing me a little bit, but it didn't help me. What actually did help me is nail polish. I would paint my nails, and every time when I would want to bite my nails, I would look at them and I see the polish, and I would think, oh, I really want my nails to grow a little bit longer and to look a little bit prettier, so I wouldn't bite. It wasn't the stop nail biting treatment, it wasn't torturous chili, but the usual nail polish that helped me to stop biting my nails. And another important thing: don't give up, keep trying. You won't stop biting your nails overnight or even during 1 week, but over time you will completely forget the art of biting nails. It happened to me. I can guarantee, if you think about it for a while and if you set this goal for yourself and just paint your nails, and every time you want to bite your nails, look at your nails and think about what you are doing to them. Do you really want to keep destroying them, or do you want to have a nice picturesque manicure? Now guys, if you had a problem similar to mine, I'd like you to share your tips and your secrets in the comments below. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and nail art tutorials. And make sure to join the Sonelicious family on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and everywhere. I'll see you next week. Until then, stay polished!